bisect lines, okay, then bisecting angles, and bisecting arcs and circles with the use of a compass. Good morning once again, and welcome again to my channel, Get to Know Now. So today we're going to get to know how to bisect lines, angles, arcs, and circles. So to begin with, the meaning of bisecting is usually to divide into two equal parts. So that is what we mean when we say bisect. Okay, it means to divide into two equal parts. Okay, there. So first, we bisect the lines, especially for these examples. These are lines that are not defined in terms of its length. We don't know what its length, and we do need to bisect them, okay, or to divide them into two equal parts. So how do we do it is, what we use is a compass. Yeah, we will need a compass. Okay, so a compass, we will be using this to bisect the lines, the angles, and as well as arcs and circles. So how do we do it? Okay, is most of the compasses has two tips or points. Okay, one is the needle, and the other one is for your leads, either pencil, or you can also use inks here. Okay, most of the compass would come with an attachment such as this, and this is what we use in order to attach a pen together with our compass. So for this video, I'm going to change the tip of this compass and use the attachment and attach a pen or a marker, okay, just that it will be visible in the video. Okay, so yeah, and attach this one there and tighten it up. Okay, there. Then we may use other pens as we want to. So for this example, we're going to use maybe this pen will do. Okay, let's use this pen. Okay, I'm going to attach the pen into the compass like so. There, just aligning the tip with the needle. There. Then tighten this knob. Okay, and you already have your pen. Okay, so first step is to position the needle into one end of your line. There's three examples of lines here. We have an inclined of an indefinite length, a vertical line, and a horizontal line. So we will be bisecting all these three lines. Okay, so first is the needle of our compass. Make sure that it will be located on the tip, one end of the line, while the tip of our pen will be on the other end of the line. Okay, there. So let's say this is point A and this is point B. So let's start marking for point A. Okay, while our needle point is on our point B. Okay, so just strike an arc. Okay, just strike an arc the same as the length of the line. Okay, just strike an arc like so. There. Okay, then next step is to put our needle point this time on point A while the pen point will be on point B. Like so. There. Then, again, what we do is just strike an arc. Okay? Make sure that both of your arcs, okay, is going to intersect with each other. Okay? Make sure that our arc intersect with each other. Okay? That their path crosses each other's path. Having that, what we do in order to identify the point wherein we do need for us to, in order for us to bisect our line, okay, is that we will be using your foot rule or your triangle, okay, or any of your drawing, straight edge drawing tools, okay, is that edge, or in this example, this is, so just position the edge of the triangle towards the intersection point. Okay, you can see those would be our intersection points of intersection. Okay, let me just mark them. Okay, so that's the point of intersection and that's the other point of intersection. Okay, so with that, what we do is we draw a line. Let's just draw the line from those points of intersection like so. There. Now this time we already bisect our indefinite line. Okay, I mean the line with indefinite measure, okay, or distance. We were able to identify the point, no, to bisect the line, okay, in two equal parts. Okay, so it's very simple. No? Now let's try to do it again on our vertical line. Okay, the same way, identify, point A and point B. Start marking an arc, striking an arc on our point A. Okay, we just adjust. We do just adjust the legs. These are the legs of our compass. So first, our needle tip or needle point will be, on one end of the line, while the pen point, okay, or the lead point or the pencil point will be on the opposite end of the line. There. Then let's just strike an arc there like so. Then turn the points, needle point again on point A, while our pen point will be on point B. Then the same way, just strike an arc there like so. Okay, there. Okay, make sure that each of our arc is going to intersect with each other. Okay, then on their point of intersection, these are the point of intersection. Okay, then we're going to draw a line or score a line and to identify our midway of the line, okay, or halfway of the line. There. So now the line is bisected, okay, into two equal parts. Okay. And lastly, it will be for our horizontal line. Again, needle point and point B on end, and our pen point will be on the other end, and just draw an arc there. Okay, then here, there, then just draw a line, I mean an arc. Okay, points of intersection, 1 and 2. Then let's just draw a line there, like so. Okay, so that's how we do bisect our lines. Okay, now next would be for angles. Okay, so let's also bisect angles. So these are angles. So this time we're going to bisect angles. So here we do have, so this time we're going to bisect angles the same way with what we did with bisecting lines. Again, we will be needing our compass. Okay. First, we do have here our right angle, which measures about 90 degrees. Okay. We have an acute angle, which measures less than 90 degrees. And we have an obtuse angle, which measures more than 90 degrees. So with the angles, we're going to bisect these angles or divide it into two equal parts. So again, using our compass, what we do, our needle tip, okay, we're going to position it on the point of intersection or on the angle itself. Okay, there. Here's the angle. So we're going to position our needle there. Then we're going to just adjust our, in any length, okay, the legs of our compass. Then what we do is just draw an arc, okay, over the angle. Okay, let's just draw an arc over the angle. That's the first step. Okay, so there, let's just draw an arc there. Okay, step 1, okay, draw an arc. The tip of your compass will be on the angle. Then just draw an arc, no, across or over the angle there. That's 1. The next, what we do is from the point where our arcs meet the angle, this point, this point, and that point, okay, there. We're going to put or position again the needle on each of those points of intersection there, like so. Okay, then again, no, we just draw an arc there. Okay, just score an arc there, and over here as well. Then let's just draw an arc. Okay, there. So now we could see the point of intersection for each of our arc Okay. It's here and that one. So those are the points of intersection. So with that, we're going to again draw a line on their points of intersection. Like so.
Wow.
And there. Okay. So now we were able to divide or bisect our angle. Okay. That's how we do it. So the same way we'll do with the acute angle. So for the acute angle, the same procedure. Let's start with our needle tip, okay, on the angle, and draw an arc over the angle. There. Just over the angle. There. Okay. Then, again, the needle tip over the line and the arc. Okay. There. Like so. Then, let's draw an arc. That's one. Then, the other end. There. And score an arc. Like so. Okay. Then, points of intersection. Here from the angle. And this one on our arcs. There. There. Then, let's score our line. Okay. There. Okay. Next, obtuse angle. Start with the compass again. Needle tip. There. Then that one. Okay. So, points of intersection. That's one. That's two. Okay. Next, with that, let's there. Maybe there. Let's score an arc. One. And two. Oops! Our arc did not meet. So make sure, this is to show you that make sure when we draw our arc, it should be more than, more than probably halfway of the arc that we did. Okay? So let me just change the tip just to show you. Okay, let's change the tip. There. So make sure that when we draw an arc, it should be over there. Okay, it should be more than half of the distance there. Okay, let's have it probably there. Okay, score the arc. That's one. And the other one would be here. Okay, let's score it there. Okay, so there. See, now have the center for our points of intersection for the angle of our obtuse angle, which measures more than 90 degrees. Okay, then we score our line. There. Like so. Okay. So now we do have our 1/2 of our angle. Okay. So that's how we do our bisecting our angles. Okay. Got it? Next is for our arcs and circles. Next is for our arcs and for our circles. Okay? We're going to bisect our arcs and circles. So, what we do, okay. So, again, we will be using our compass in bisecting our arcs and our circle. So, what we do here is that first things first, we're going to draw a line from one end of the arc towards the other end. There. Okay. You may draw a line from one end to the other. There. Okay. The next is using our compass again, one end, just like the same process that we did with bisecting our line. Okay. So, one of the needle point towards the end of our one end of our arc, and the pen point or the pencil point on the other end of the arc. There. Okay. Then we're going to score an arc there. Okay. Like so. Okay. There. Okay. Then change the position towards the other end of our arc, and again score our arc or draw our arc there. Now we do have our points of intersection from those arcs. There, that's 1 and that's 2. Now we can now bisect our arc by drawing the line there. So that's how we do our bisecting an arc. Okay. Now the same way for the circle, just make sure that the line passes through the center of our circle. Okay, just draw a line. Say there. And just the same way that we did with the arc. Okay, needle point on one end and pen point on the other end. There. Then score our arc. Okay, there. Like so. Then turn our compass around. Okay, there. Like so. Then this time on this side. Okay. There. Okay. Now we have the points of intersection. That's 1. That's 2. Okay. Then we bisect our circle. There. So that's how we bisect our arcs and our circle. Okay? So I hope now you get to know how to bisect lines or lines here. Okay. Now you get to know to bisect lines. Okay? Then bisecting angles and bisecting arcs and circles with the use of a compass. Okay? I hope you get to know now. So until the next video, I hope you learn. Thank you. Goodbye. If you like the video, please subscribe.